Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario World on piano. Start by finding an easy arrangement of the Super Mario World main theme. Focus on the melody, typically played with your right hand. Locate middle C on your piano, which is often the fourth C from the left on an 88-key keyboard. Begin practicing the melody at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, ensuring each note is clear and accurate before increasing speed. Now, let's focus on mastering the right-hand melody. Break the theme into small, 2 to 4 measure sections. This makes learning much less daunting. Pay close attention to the rhythm and the duration of each note. A metronome is your best friend here. Set it to a slow tempo, around 60 to 70 beats per minute, and practice each section until it flows smoothly and accurately. Once your right hand is confident, it's time to introduce the left hand. For an easy guide, the left hand often plays simple bass notes or basic two-note chords. Practice the left hand part independently until it feels natural. Then, combine both hands at a very slow pace, perhaps 40 to 50 beats per minute, focusing on the coordination between them. This step requires patience and precision. With both hands working together, gradually increase your tempo. Aim for a smooth, flowing performance. Listen to the original Super Mario World theme to capture its playful spirit. Recording yourself can highlight areas needing more attention. Consistent practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes each day, will yield significant progress. Enjoy the process of bringing this classic video game music to life on your piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.